Oh my gosh.
He's all happy. Were you mad because I took it away from you?
You fell down.
Were you mad because I took it away from you?
Oh, ow.
Now you're all happy.
You like it.
Whoa. Okay, Cayman, when you're vlogging, you have to hold it out like this. There you go. Oh. Then you talk. Now you talk.
Mommy, what can I do? You push this button to make it pink like this.
Oh.
This is the, what the Dappa and Dama give it to Damon. Mommy. And here's my brother Dookie. Anyways, we went to the pool yesterday. At night, I'm going to a special kind of party. And it's very special. To eat. Anyways, I like that. Who are you to eat with? Whoa! He thinks I'm a doll! Bye.
Hello, happy Saturday.
Which is summer.
Yes, yesterday was our first day of summer break. Kylie, pick those up, baby.
Can you do this?
And we went, where did we go yesterday?
The pool.
Yes, we went to the pool and I got burnt. It's painful. Look at my back. I wonder if you can see it.
I got burnt.
You see that? The lines on my back? Yes, Kylie got a little burnt too. Look at her face. Is that your sad face? Now let me see a happy burnt face. Aww, how cute. Kane didn't. I put lots of sunscreen on the kids, but hey, have you gone potty yet this morning? You need to go, buddy. You're gonna pee your pants. Go. I put lots of sunscreen on the kids, but I guess Kylie didn't get enough. And I didn't put any on me. And I'm like, I should have. Anyways, I don't know what we're gonna do today. So, you got fun. At Home Depot. Say hi.
Hi. I am going to a little boy that's have a slumber party. I'm watching movies at late.
Yes.
And why is it
Yeah.
that what it is?
You are. We're going to eat lunch.
Hi, we're at Chick-fil-A.
Sure. Here, baby, scoot over.
We're at Chick-fil-A. There's vehicle and we're throwing. Oh, that's not from the firework. I don't know. comes the peekaboo baby. There he is. Influx. Yes. Oh my god.
Don't throw those.
There go the barbecue sauce. Is that the barbecue sauce? Anyways, bye.
Hello. First off, I love shaved ice. Here's my shaved ice. Yummy. Second, we just got the kids this. Let me show you. Slip and slide. They've never done one before. So I have a feeling they're not going to understand the point. And Ian keeps saying, well, you have to go out and show them. So I don't know if I can slip and slide with my sunburn. But I might just have to. So we'll see. Let him get it all set up and then I'll show you, okay? Bye.
You run and then just jump on the plastic. And it'll slide you all the way down.
Yeah, you got to get a good run. I think you need to go on the green side, baby. That yellow side didn't get you very far. Good try. You have to get a really fast run.
Try the green side, Kane. Let Kane go.
Get a good run. Good try. So they don't quite get it. And Kylie does. There you go. Oh, awesome.
Want to see my awesome run?
Yeah, go really fast. Woo! That was good. Really fast to go all the way to the end.
You want to see my really awesome
Did you put his leg up to go faster? Woo! Kylie, yeah, go all the way back by that basketball hoop and then run as fast as you can. Nice! That was your best one yet. Okay, ready, Kane?
Go, buddy.
You will go really fast. Woo! Nice! Go, Kane, go! Hello. It's like 4:30. Kylie is going to her friend's